Hello, I'm unboxing an Aqua Optima jug water filter I've just bought from Amazon. Let's see what's in the box. The reason I went for this one, I've already got a Britta filter, but it doesn't seem to be stopping any scaling in the kettle and the Tassimo and things like that. And this one was only £20 for 6 months of clean water. So instead of just buying replacement filters, I'm going for this. Give it a try. Right, what's in the box? One lid. One, two filters. The jug itself, and some instructions. Now this is always the good bit. Try and it's like taking wrapping off a lampshade. Have you ever done that? There we go. Take that out. Pack in a third filter, because these filters last 2 months each. Of the jug, and inside the jug 6 little feet. Right, let's go wash all of this up and have a quick read the instructions and see what gives. After washing all the components, you need to open up one of the filters and soak it in a bowl of water for 10 to 15 minutes according to the instructions. After that time, empty the bowl and assemble your jug. So we start off with the jug itself. The filter goes into the base of the top water container, the unfiltered container, and it just pushes in, and a slight turn to lock it, which is the simplest method I've seen in a water filter. It's easier than the Britta one, because the Britta one you have to push down and it feels like it's going to break it every time. Then you simply put the lid on, open the louvers and fill the top with water. You don't take the lid off, you just pour straight through the louvers. There's a little sliding button that opens and closes the louvers on the handle. After you've filled it with water, you let it filter through. Hello, and thank you for watching. This is an update to a video I made 4 months ago now regarding the Aqua Optima jug water filter. It's had quite a few views, but now I've been using it for 4 months, I thought I'd update the video. So the earlier bit of this video was filmed 4 months ago. It's a lovely water filter. It makes it, in my opinion, it's better than the Britta. The water comes out clearer. It seems to taste a lot better as well. There's none of the... I did a side-by-side comparison, my old Britta filter and this one, in clean glasses, and there were still particles in the water filter. In a new Britta filter, I was getting particles in the water still. This one comes out crystal clear. It is so much better. I'm not sure whether it actually cuts down on descaling. I think it does, because my kettle doesn't seem to scale up as much as it used to. And I think my Tassimo even lasts a bit longer between descales. So, very good on that front. The reason I'm doing an update now is because I've come round to ordering replacement filters for it. I'll show you. Right, this comes off, and then this comes out. And on the bottom, you get the main filter, which literally bayonets off. And this is what they call the original filter. It's a small round thing. However, you replace it now with an Evolve Plus filter, which looks different. This is why I'm doing this video, because it does look a lot different. I'll show you. There's the original, and there's the Evolve Plus. Slightly different, but the good thing is the Evolve Plus fits in as well. It just bayonets in. Nice system. And while I've got it disassembled, I discovered something else the other day. I'll put the filter back in. Bear with me. That's how quick it is. On the lid, you've got louvers, right? These little things here. Now, sometimes you get, I don't know, you get build up in there of something. I don't know. I've had build up in it. But you can unclip it simply by undoing it from one side. Hold on. It takes a while for me to work out what side it was. Now, they unclip there, and you just unclip it out. Of course, it helps when you haven't got nails. I mean, it helps when you have got nails. I haven't cut my nails. There we are. It just unclips. And you can wash all that separately. And to put it back in, quite simply a reverse of that. So clip it in one side, and it's in. Quite frankly, I still recommend the Aqua Optima jug water filter. It is simple to use, it's clean, the water tastes better and the water looks better. So you have got my recommendation for the Aqua Optima water filter.